So how we can install Java JDK 21 on Ubuntu? So here's a Java site, here is JDK 21, and we can find goodies. So installation guide, and okay, next page. So what we have here, Linux platforms. So let's open our terminal and try to install it. The first what we need to use sudo up-to-date. So we run it. So we don't have such package here. Why it enable? So if you use upsearch JDK, you see all. So default JDK is noble, and here is 70. Open JDK we can find Java 8, but I want to use Oracle. So for this purpose I install sdkman. Okay. Okay. Zip. Now again. So looks it work. SDK list Java. I need to change terminal because create new session because it need to update. So here we can use command SDK list Java. So now we can see Oracle. And here it is. So we need this one. Let's copy. Install Java and this identifier. So let's check Java version. So here it is. And for Java home we need to use copy so we defined Java home. Okay,